We're gonna figure this out. Probably not beverage. It's not a beverage, and it's not popcorn or potatoes, right? We've changed the plan. I'm gonna just keep filming this just in case it explodes in there. Today, we're gonna do something with my loofah that I grew last year, and I finally got cut up. I have all my loofah down here. Let's see. I've got all this loofah down here. I did cut it up, and I did soak it, and I've got loofah everywhere. And I did soak it in Clorox for like 24 hours in a bucket outside. So I did soak my Clorox. I did soak my loofah in Clorox when I did this. Now I'm going to be melting soap today. I've never melted soap before. So this is going to not be a tutorial on how to melt soap and make loofah things. It's going to be watch Michelle try to figure this out. That's the plan. Okay. So I've got these melted soap things, and I got them off the Amazon. Then I've got these silicone things from the Amazon again. Now, I got these months and months and months and months and months ago because the plan was to do this earlier than now. It's April. I had the COVID. I got really sick. So we're now filming videos that I wanted to film a long time ago. Thank God I'm feeling better. We're just gonna be happy. So these are Baker's Depot silicone cupcake molds that I got from the Amazon. Oh, yep. Yep, they're silicone. They don't want to come out the package. Okay, so yeah, we've got these silicone squishy in a ball if you want to. Silicone things. And the goal, this is the goal, okay? The end goal. Just in case it doesn't work out right, I'm going to tell you what's supposed to happen. All right, I'm going to put these in here, okay? And put soap in there that I'm going to melt this. That's my plan. So stick around if you want to watch me figure this out. It could get interesting. Now, I have these loofah cut in different sizes. I might need to cut them smaller. I really didn't. I also have this size, and this is really nice because I've cleaned my glass top stove with this, and I've used it as a pot scrubber, and it's working out fantastic. So, in my Pyrex, those of you that do soap are probably saying, Michelle, read something before you do this. Watch a video, read something. I'm not doing that. I'm just winging this. All right. I don't really have time to watch a video. Well, I've had the last couple months to watch videos, but did I? No, I didn't do that. I'm going to put this in here and then into my microwave, and we're going to hope that I don't blow up my microwave. I need something to open this. Hold on. Knife. Okay, got the knife. We're going to hope I don't blow up my microwave or anything else. If those of you that have been watching me know that last year I blew the zucchini up. I was trying, oh, watch the face. They come in 2 blocks that now have more plastic on them that we have to take off. I blew my zucchini up in the microwave trying to stuff it. Then recently, since I've had the COVID, I do sleepwalking, and I put my iPad in the microwave at 3 a.m. and cooked it for 30 seconds. Needless to say, I no longer have an iPad. I trashed my iPad in the microwave. So we're going to put this in here, and we're going to melt it. And those of you that say probably shouldn't do this in your cookware, why not? Because it's just soap, right? It's just soap. So let's put this in the microwave. In the microwave it goes. Probably, and I have a silicone mat in my microwave too. I kind of like that. We're gonna probably a lower temperature, but I don't know how to do that either on my microwave. We're gonna figure this out. Probably not beverage. It's not a beverage, and it's not popcorn or potatoes, right? So we're just gonna hit start for 30 seconds and see what happens in there. This could go bad. It could go good. I have no idea. We might need more than 30 seconds. You know, since I had the COVID, I don't remember anything anymore. Yeah. We need more than 30 seconds. We'll do a minute and see what happens. I don't know. Maybe I should be doing this on my stuff. Again, I didn't watch a video. And there's, oh, the soap is melting. I can see it melting. I'm not a making soap channel, okay? That's not what I am. I'm a wing it kind of channel. That's what we are. Okay, now this is it. All right, we're gonna get this thing out of here now. I think that's good enough. Oh yeah. We've got the soap melted, and we've got these little silicone things. You know what? That soap is starting kind of to harden on that spoon, so it might work. Let's shove these little ones. See, that fits in there. That's kind of small. I wonder if we could, you know what? Forget that one. We'll just do that one. Wonder if that one's going to be like too big. I could probably only get, that might be pretty cool. Half soap. That might be cool. I told my daughters, I said, you're getting soap. Be happy about it because it's happening. Okay, now it says I can just pour this in here and it should work, right? Okay, here goes. All right, let's see. There, it's full. Oh, I'm going to have to melt more soap. All right, let's pour it around. Melt and pour. I mean, hey, you don't have to add anything to it. Oh, yeah, I'm going to have to melt the other one. I could already see. Now, don't... Oh, that one's kind of floating. I don't want it to float. Okay. Oh, this is, like, too cool. All right, I'll be back. I'm going to go melt more soap. And, evidently, we need this. Oh, that's going to be too much. Then what? I better not... I'm not doing that, okay? We've changed the plan, okay? I'm not going to melt more soap because I don't have more of these silicone holders, and I'll have too much soap, and I'm not going to try to cut this bar in half. That's not happening, so we'll just take those out, and I'm going to let these set. I'm going to probably put them in the refrigerator. All right, now I'm going to put these in my refrigerator, and we'll check back on these, like, maybe tomorrow or like the next day or when I feel like it. And by that I mean when I feel good, because I don't, half the time I don't feel good and I stay in bed. But I'm gonna just kind of rinse that out. I'll wash it, but you could see it. It looks like curdled milk in there or something. All right, I'm gonna stop babbling because it seems like I do that a lot now. I can't help that. I'm gonna put these in the refrigerator and we'll be back. Look at that. This wasn't in the refrigerator but like an hour. Oh, you can't see it. All right, one more. I'm going to put these in the bathtub and Rob's going to wonder what the heck they are. Maybe I will and not tell him. Look at that. That is Loofah soap perfection. So this is just the pour soap that I got from the Amazon. I'll link it below along with this thing. This was pretty cool. This would be cool to make cupcakes and things with. And yeah, I grew the loofah. If you're interested in growing loofah, I'll see if I got my seeds off Amazon, and I'll see if I could find them again, and I'll link my the Luffa seeds that I used. I live in Northeast Ohio, and my loofah grew just fine. That is just too cool. All right, I will see you in my next video.